everybody. Travis Carper here, Ascension guide, holistic health coach, and let's just get into it because I want to read from my article, Alchemical Wizard 2, Liquid Intermittent Fasting. More holistic health tools and techniques to help you ease into this ascension process. Some more tips. Hey. Okay. Anyways, let's just get into it because you know me, I'll get off on some tangent. So I already said yesterday, creating sacred space. Very important if you can do it in your house, in your backyard, in your apartment, so that you can have a space. If you don't always get out in nature to meditate, spend some time, that silent time, to allow for your chakras to line up and to get into your high heart toric field so that you can listen to your higher self and connect to source more, because we've been disconnected for a while. Oh yeah. So it's what I'm saying is it's kind of important. Well, it's important to me, but to take on some of these spiritual practices and stuff, because I think we have a very limited lack of it. Maybe in the Western culture, I'm not sure. I know those guys. I haven't been as far as past Spain in Europe, but I know like in India and the Hindu and everything, they do a lot. Muslim, they do a lot more prayers and stuff like that. But it's here we do a lot more physical exercise than we do like our spiritual, empathic, intuitive, telepathic, clairsentience, clairaudience, clairvoyance. We don't work on that as much, and I think this is a great time to start doing that, especially with all the gamma rays and the particle fields that were the chelotic morphogenetic fields that we're in right now, the electromagnetics and the energetics of what's going on right now. On this quantum level, we're being changed back. I mean, we're going back to where the heavenly or higher dimensions, where we were, like Lemuria and Atlantis days. So, just to I did it again. I went off on a bunch of tangents. Okay. Okay. Backyard. Okay. Nutrition, gut health. Yeah. Let's do nutrition, gut health. Yogurt, probiotics, beneficial bacteria. Your microbiome, super important. I mean, even the health community, spiritual community, everybody, the microbiome, it's just so important to take care of that, and to you are what you eat. So think about it in terms of the things that the higher frequencies of foods that you ingest into this avatar, this vehicle, your temple, your biological body. You want to put in wheatgrass and spirulina. You want to put in fruits and vegetables, organic fruits and vegetables. You want to go to the farmer's market and see what they've grown, or grow your own food, so that you're not spending money, you're not giving money away to Monsanto or the pharmaceutical companies. That's why it's important to take care of the biological body and nurture it, so that you can in turn nurture your spiritual life, your light body, and your mental and emotional bodies. Okay, moving on. Microbiome, very important. Yes. Let's see. Okay, let's read this better. Right. Okay. So yeah, if you're vegan, you're lactose intolerant, get beneficial microorganisms from fermented foods, sauerkraut, tempeh, kimchi, miso, kombucha, natto. There's also great supplements out there to get probiotics and get digestive juices when you eat. Yeah, remember everything's conscious energy. And they'll build like vitamin K in your tummy too. And let's see what else. Yeah, because there's so many toxins and stuff out there in the environment. And you know, we don't I mean, unless you're a gardener or something, or you're growing your own food and you have a food forest in the backyard of your house, that's really cool. Then you get some of that dirt and the microorganisms off of the dirt, and plus you get trace minerals. So that's why like healthy people are always like, hey man, you know, they're like more excited and energized. And then you're full of life and you can really start to enjoy this thing, especially in these times of like the dark times in your life and stuff like that. I mean, just the other day I watched again, we knew about like Monsanto in the 80s or something, but just the other day, a couple of year old film, I watched the Seed, the Untold Story, and man, it had me in tears again. So anyways, moving on. Liquid intermittent fasting. Okay, it sounds hard, but it really isn't. The kind of fasting that I'm talking about is like when you get up, you make your juice or your tea or your coffee or your alternative liquid, whatever ritual you have, and then during the day you make your smoothie shake, your vegan smoothie shake, or if you're not, you throw in some yogurt or kefir or whatever. Anyways, what I'm talking about, and juice too. I mean, if you got a juicer, I just remember when I was homeless, I'd like have to go buy and I'd go buy the cold press ones. Anyways, so if you do make a big one, make like in the afternoon, make like a big old smoothie, man, like just drink out of the blender pitcher, and drink out of the blender pitcher, and then just not try to eat it. And maybe at night, if you get really hungry, eat like fruit, like apple or watermelon, stuff with a lot of liquid in it, and then drink tons of like really good distilled or structured water or something, and flush everything out for a day, at least a day. And then that way your body, your vehicle, your temple, your biological body will appreciate it, because your glands all the glands secrete different hormones, and they all work together inside your vehicle. And if you're always constantly stuffing yourself with fiber and just you're packing all of that down, it stays in your system undigested, and you get more parasites and stuff in the non-beneficial bacteria in your lower intestine and your whole microbiome. So think about that. I mean, think about, maybe we're so used to just eating so much, Think about liquid intermittent fasting. It's pretty simple, actually. I mean, it's delicious to do, and it's good for you. Okay, we already did that. Realign with the cosmic pathways. Realign with the cosmic evolution, cosmic intelligence. Yeah. Holy affirmations. Okay, Holy affirmations. I'm talking about positive affirmations. You know, 1 or 2 sentences or quotes that you love. Put it up on your mirror. You know, fold it up, put it in your pocket. Think about it. I remember I had mine, the 3 decrees, and posted up on the inside of my storage locker, and I just think about that all the time, actually. And just they're like 3 affirmations, 3 sentences, 3 decrees that I use personally during the day and stuff. Another one that I like to use is like Gaia is my meditation garden, and I put that little quote of mine, it's in the book, 3 decrees, and I put it up on my desk on my computer, because let's say I'm writing or doing research, whatnot, and I'm indoors a lot. But if that's up by my desk, it I remember to get outdoors and go to nature. It's a good one for me, anyways. Not that I don't. I love being out here. But up in the Northwest where I'm at, it rains a lot. Okay, so there's some more tools and techniques and help to help you ease into the ascension process, the awakening, to enter more unity consciousness, more Christ consciousness, the crystal consciousness,